In this video, I am going to illustrate about house type LH1. First, you need a site space 56 feet by 40 feet 3 inches. Even though I am giving these areas, it can be slightly changed. Now I will explain about the spaces. I am assuming this is a roadway which you can enter to the house from gate, the wicket gate, into the main door. Through this corridor, you can enter into the living. By the side of that corridor, there is a bedroom and the toilet. Bedroom is sizing 11 feet by 12 feet. Bathroom size 8 feet 5 inches by 5 feet. There's a courtyard in center. You can use this as a courtyard or wide, which is 7 feet by 5 feet 9 inches. The other side, you have the pantry and the kitchen. In the entrance corridor, there is by the side of the corridor which you can use for the puja room. In the other way, there's a double garage. From the garage, you can enter through a service corridor into the kitchen. By the side of the corridor, there will be a servant's room which connect outside. Through the kitchen, you can serve the food into the pantry and then to the dining. Even though you are serving from here, you can serve again through this archway to the dining. And this is a staircase which is going up. Now I will explain about the basic structure of this house. I will mark the RCC columns which give the strength to the upper four slab, and I am using 9 inch by 9 inch RCC columns on these locations. Even though I am giving these column sizes and the positions, you have to consult an engineer or architect to get the details. For walls, I am using full bricks, that is 9 inch or half bricks, 4.5 inch thick walls. I will give a separate color for 9 inch walls. In this plan, I will mark. And now I will mark the 4.5 thick walls with pink color. Now I will give you the doors and window sizes. First we start with the entrance. This is the entrance way to the house. There will be a grill door. We tag it D1. This is the main door to the house. That is type 2. The room door is DW3. Bathroom door D4. And from the service entrance, the door to the servant's room is D4. I will give the sizes later. The kitchen door D3. Underside of the stairway, there's a room which you can use as a toilet or a store. The door for that is D4. And this is a door to the puja room, which will be a timber decorative door. I will give it, it's a special door. I will tag it as SD. It's a special door. Now I will give you the window sizes. I will start from the living room. The living room window is DW1, which is a French window. Again, the dining window, it's DW1, again the French window. And the staircase, I have used the glass blocks. I have tagged it as G. Then we come to the kitchen. There's a window. I will tag it W1. Then there's a window to the servants' room or the storeroom. I will tag it W2. To the front, this window, I will tag it DW2. Again, the French window. And to the toilet, to get ventilation, I am using a fan light. Now I will give the sizes. The D1, the entrance gate, 4 feet by 9 feet. The main entrance, D2, 4 feet by 9 feet. The room doors, D3, 3 feet by 7 feet. Bathroom doors, storeroom doors, D4, 2 feet 6 inches by 7 feet. Then we come to the windows, DW1, 8 feet by 9 feet. DW2, 4 feet by 9 feet. W1, 4 feet by 6 feet. W2, 2 feet by 6 feet. Fan light F for the toilet, 2 feet by 4 feet. This is width and this is height. Pantry counter is 2 feet 9 inch high. Again, the kitchen counter 2 feet 9 inches high. You can make these out of concrete, and there will be a wall cupboard or for a store to store the garden tools and all that stuff. You can store it here. And by using this staircase, you can go up. Next, I will illustrate about the upper floor plan. In the upper floor, there is 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3. All the sizes I have given, 15 feet 9 inches by 12 feet, 12 feet by 11 feet 9 inches, then 14 feet by 12 feet. And there's a courtyard or a void, which you can see the downstairs from this void. And this is the bathroom for all these 3 bedrooms. And there's a living room, which you enter to the living room and you goes to the bedrooms. From the living room, you can enter through a balcony into a front terrace area just on top of the garage. And by the side of the TV room, there's a space I have utilized for linen room, that for ironing and washing. Now I will illustrate about the structure. I will mark the 9 inch by 9 inch columns, which start from the ground floor and it's continue up to the roof. These are the locations. To the first floor, these columns are more than enough to hold the roof. You don't need the front 3 columns, you don't need to continue to the first floor. Now I will mark all the other walls. I am using 4.5 inch thick brickwork. I will color it with pink color. In the balcony, I'm using two 9-inch by 9-inch brick columns. I will color it with brown. And this is a roof terrace area. All the sizes given here, you can see the sizes. This is a terrace, open terrace. Now I will give you the window sizes. Again, it reflects the same sizes as the ground floor, these sizes. So this is DW1. Again, this is DW1, 8 feet by 9 feet. This is DW1. This is DW2 for the front room. Again, this is DW2. You can enter through to the balcony using by opening the, again you can enter to the balcony by using this French window. Now I will give you the door sizes. All the doors are D3, 3 feet by 7 feet, as in the ground floor. Toilet door will be D4. Now I have explained all the doors and windows, and I will give you the heights of the railings. This is 3 feet high railing, and this is 3 feet high wall. Again, this is a half wall, and in front of the terrace there is a flower trough. You can put the creepers into this, and there are 3 small balconies to all the bedrooms. All these railings are 3 feet high walls. This is staircase going down, and this is the basic description about the LH1. To get the free PDF plan of this house, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and send your email in comment area. Thank you.